As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Nexgrill Fortress, and trying to figure out which one's better. The ChuMaste is cheaper, like $169, while the Nexgrill is about $180.
Okay, price is definitely a factor. What about size? I need something that fits on my small patio.
The ChuMaste has a larger cooking area, around 465 square inches, whereas the Nexgrill is smaller, at 263 square inches. But the ChuMaste is also bigger overall, dimension-wise. It's about 23 inches deep, 28 wide, and 17 high, while the Nexgrill is roughly 27 inches deep, 20 wide, and 15 high. So the Nexgrill might be better for a really tight space.
Right, gotta measure my balcony again. What about power? I want something that heats up quickly.
The ChuMaste boasts 30,000 BTUs across its 3 burners, and the Nexgrill has 13,500 BTUs with 2 burners. So on paper, the ChuMaste should heat up faster and maybe get hotter. But it seems like some customers have mentioned issues with the ChuMaste build quality.
Oh no, that's a red flag. What kind of issues?
Bent pieces, thin materials. The Nexgrill, on the other hand, gets pretty good reviews overall, with customers saying it's well made and durable.
Durability is key. What are they made of?
The ChuMaste is stainless steel, while the Nexgrill is cast aluminum. The Nexgrill also has cast iron cooking grids, which is a plus for heat retention.
Okay, cast iron is nice. Anything else that sets them apart?
The ChuMaste has foldable side tables for extra space, and wheels for easier moving. The Nexgrill is more focused on being portable. It has easy lift handles and a compact design. Plus, the Nexgrill is a 2-in-1. It can be converted to a griddle.
A griddle. That's tempting. So the Nexgrill seems more portable and maybe better quality, even though it's smaller and has less BTU power.
Exactly. It really depends on what you prioritize. Size and power versus portability and build quality. And if you want a griddle, the ChuMaste is cheaper. But the Nexgrill seems like it might be worth the extra $10 for the build quality and portability. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.